Well, the Bank of Canada cut its interest rate by half a percentage point to soften the economic blow of the COVID-19 outbreak. So joining us to explain what that means for our bank accounts is BNN Bloomberg's Paige Ellis. Paige, good to have you here.
Good to see you.
So what does this rate cut mean generally for Canadians?
Generally for Canadians, if you own a home or if you're looking for a home, there could certainly be an impact. Because yesterday what we learned is that right out of the gate, the banks in Canada started cutting their prime lending rate. So this is what they use to determine variable mortgages, to set mortgages and other lending items like a line of credit, for example. So Bank of Canada, BMO, TD, all the major ones cut. What's interesting about that is that historically they have not always cut in lockstep with the Bank of Canada. So it's great news if you're looking to renew your mortgage. It's great news if you have a variable mortgage or you want to take out a line of credit. Possibly bad news if you're looking for a home.
What about the housing market? How's this going to affect that?
So that's what I mean. You know, we've already heard a lot of warnings that the spring selling season is going to be very hot, just because we've seen the housing markets in a few different key jurisdictions really take off this past year. Also because recently the federal government loosened some of the restrictions around that stress test, so it's easier to qualify for a mortgage now. Now, with the mortgages going lower, that could mean that people have greater buying power.
Right.
And when you have a surge in demand and you have stable or dwindling supply, what happens? Prices go up. And in a city like Toronto, where yesterday we learned the average price is up 16% year over year.
Unreal.
It's going to be a tough selling season.
An exclusive for BNN Bloomberg today, Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz will be addressing this rate cut. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
It's Amanda Lang. She's in Ottawa today. She'll be doing that interview, and we'll be asking about what he sees as the key risk from the coronavirus, because that is the chief reason that they cited for why they cut by 50 basis points.
We'll be watching for that and more. Paige Ellis, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.